Hi, Bruce Raisch here, the Ghost Town Hunter. Just doing some organizational work and made a prototype package box of some of this freeze-dried food. I put it in two main stacks. Entrees are here. This stack has some more entrees, but also fruits and desserts. And I have an accessory pack in here, a box of soup, a box of cocoa. This is what an accessory pack is. Each box will have one of these. And then I managed to fill up the rest with some space ice cream or extra desserts. Blueberry peach crisp. I even have cream brulee. I don't know what cream brulee is going to taste like out of a pouch like this, but I'm going to find out. So this only weighs about 12 pounds. It's a box that I used to keep books in. 12, 14 pounds is what it feels like. And it's going to close up nice. There'll be no scent for the animals. I'll even tape it shut. Open it up when I get out there. And I should have 2 or 3 of these for the trip, besides other boxes like this case of MREs or this bucket. So I'll still have my coolers and I'll have boxes of canned food. So I think I'll have more than enough food for the whole 3-month road trip and the 1-month camping trip. But a lot of it is going to be packaged like this, and well, some of it already is packaged for me. So makes life easy when I just throw it in the back of that police van of mine. And I have quite a variety in here. Dark cheesecake, peaches, pasta Mariana, vanilla ice cream sandwich, chili mac. Oh boy, like I said, blueberry peach crisp. Is this? Oh, stroganoff with mushrooms and beef. So I think I'll be doing okay. One thing, I won't starve to death. Nothing else. I'll pick berries out there. I have eaten fish from the stream, and well, heck, if a bear comes in camp, maybe I'll have bear stew. Till later.